What's up, guys? So today I'm by myself. Paul is gone, Ben is gone, so I can actually get something done. See this shed right here? It's got to go bye-bye. See, Paul's doing work over there to build the new shop, and this shed has got to go. And he was just gonna throw it all away, but I want it. I want to be able to park the Nova and the winning truck right up there. It's got the trailer on that I'm gonna kick the crap out of the red square body with. I gotta tear all this apart. I think there's a few bolts. I think they're nails or they might be screws. Take all that off. Paul wants the tin. He's gonna get another Connex and he's gonna make a roof or something and build himself another shed. It's warm finally, actually. I need to address that. Glendale, it is 54 degrees. I'm in shorts and everything because Paul and Ben aren't here, so I can wear what I want. Here we go. See that? I can back up. I can back up just fine with a trailer. That's for all the people giving me hate that I can't back up. I just looked. I don't think Paul has one wood hammer with like to pull the nails out with. They are all the mechanic hammers. This is gonna take forever, I have a feeling. Okay, I had to go take Grandma Lolly's car to go to my house because Paul doesn't have, he might, but I couldn't find any. A single wood hammer with that to pry the nails off. Shows you what he does for a living. Like, I gotta get to the nails on the other side of this, so I gotta I gotta pretty much tip all this over without dying so I can get to the nails on the back side. There's birds living in there. That's nice. All right, let's see if I can do this without dying. Oh, dang it. From second thought, I'm gonna try going from the back so I don't have to move all the wood. We'll see how it goes. He sure did use a lot of freaking nails. There we go. One of a lot. Look at all these nails. How many nails did he need? He used 5, 10, 15, 20. He used 20 nails on each board. How the heck am I? All right, we gotten somewhere, so. Just drive forward. Get going. There it goes. Yeah! All right, so that kind of worked. I haven't been showing you much, but I had to move all the wood. And now I just saw all that. I'm gonna push the rest over with the tractor.
The nails are in there. He put.
They are.
This was meant to stay. I have you know. It was not meant to take apart.
Well, of course, I'm the one that has to.
Of course you are. I don't think you're going to get it off there, dude.
Was that like a
It's
challenge?
not a doubt.
That was
no.
a challenge.
Look how solid those are on there, though.
You didn't make it. You didn't hit it fast enough. I got it. I know what I'm doing. Oh, this one's gonna do it.
Yes!
Just a lot more stuff to do now. All right, so I didn't get too much done. I feel like we always say that. I am still standing under the shed, which it shouldn't be here, but I couldn't do much by myself. I got the side beams things off. I yanked through there with the tractor. I went up on top, pulled nails out of the top. So till next time.
Just called us, said lunch is ready and that we should all come up there, so We don't skip meals around here, so we're headed right now. Holy!
Whoa!
Would you look at that?
Boys came up for some lunch. They're having themselves some sweet chili beef and green bean bowls. HelloFresh takes the hassle out of mealtime this spring by delivering pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-prepare recipes right to your door. Skip the checkout lines and get outside in the warmer weather because HelloFresh has dinner covered. Looking for more ways to save this spring? HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% cheaper than takeout. We have been loving HelloFresh. We have not had one bad meal so far. And there's no worries if you're not a pro in the kitchen. HelloFresh's foolproof recipes arrive pre-portioned and ready to prepare in just a few steps. What do you guys think?
It's really good. It's almost more than I can eat. Mine's gone.
Good.
If you guys want to try this, go to HelloFresh.com
And use code FABRATS50.
to get 50% off.
Plus, your first box ships free.
Save time, money, and stress, and get HelloFresh.
I think it's gonna come right down. We'll cut this sucker right in half and then push it over. And then we'll climb up on top, take all the tin off. We'll have her down in an hour. Go grab a ladder. Is that half?
Not quite.
Which way?
This way. Probably. I don't.
She's cut.
You ready to go up?
I don't think I need to cut the top one.
Really?
I think those will push off of it. And then the top one comes down. So I'll go inside and push on it. Someone put too many nails in it. Watch out, she comes out, she comes out. Alright, we've got the template.
Perfect.
Alright, now we just got to pull roof off. We're winning here. We got one piece of tin left. Try not to bend it there, Hoss. Got it. That worked. Last piece of tin, and then we pull the roof off of this thing. Got it. All right,
That worked.
there we go. Tin's off. We got to pull the cross runners, and then this thing is tore down. And we'll have a ton more room to turn around right here. Tomorrow the dirt work starts over there. So hopefully, if they any luck, by the end of the week, we about got a pad ready.
Keep on going. Breathe down. Where's the bird?
Are they alive?
We evicted those birds.
Well, I know where all your chicken feathers are going.
No doubt.
Yeah, no, they were just living there.
Just living their best life in there.
Insulation.
Yep. We'll pick that up. Came off pretty good. There's some usable.
Finish tomorrow.
I'm gonna stack this on and we'll hook it on to Hunter's truck.
How are you gonna get that there?
We'll throw a strap over it. And
I'll drive slow.
100 can drive slow. He just usually doesn't.
We'll see.
Okay, well, I'm going up to the house. It's been real.
It's been real.
All right, it's a new day. We're working on the new shop. So as you can see, we've got some stuff cleaned up, but we're dealing with water plumbing issues right at the moment. So I have an irrigation drain that runs down through here, and I had a valve. We tore it out. Now we're just plumbing pipe. Then we're gonna have to go up the driveway, dig it up, put this valve back in it. So shop's coming. I got guys showing up tomorrow to start dirt work. So I gotta have everything ready for them. So we're doing it. That at least gets it outside the shop. All right, we got this coupled together. This is just a drain line. The valve's gonna be upstream, so it can run underneath my shop and it won't matter because there's gonna be no pressure on it ever. So I'll cover this up and then we'll get to work on the rest of this. All we need is a coupler. Hopefully Landon can turn one up. Then we can finish that. We're gonna move the pig pen now. That's the next job. I seem to have caught a fire out here. But don't worry, I saved the drink. Got a little singed on this one side. I was at it sitting on that pole and I was just cutting away and I looked over, the fire was all around it. Saved it though. So I'm cutting all the welds on this pig pen so I can pull it apart.
It cuts through wood too.
Oh yeah, I don't cut anything.
Can you lift the whole thing up? It doesn't seem like it's buried, it's lifting it up. No?
What other? Just hold it. Oh, it's the middle. Land, go on the inside. Okay, go grab it. Figure out how to cut the rest of it.
R.I.P. that tree. That seemed really easy. You can play baseball with it. The tin's pretty beat up. It was junk when I put it on this. I think I'm gonna just scrap it. Let's get that feeder out of here, and then I think I'll finish demolitioning this. Got a bunch of stuff to do. This big cottonwood's gonna have to get cleaned out because I'm gonna make something down there. I mean, that may be a good like fire pit area and kind of cool probably. Hey, we got fire.
All right, we got us a pretty good jag of scrap metal. We're gonna haul it down to the dump. They'll recycle it. Then we'll come back and load all the wood. All right, we got connections, so we're going to the dump. JD's opening it up for us so we can dump this stuff.
Block back, come back farther.
Yeah, right. We're out of here. All right, we're back. Now we just got to pick up all the wood, stack these panels out of our way, and I think we'll have this ready for some guys to do some dirt work tomorrow. So get this moved. We got a bunch done. We've got woodshed is gone, tore it down. We got pig pen, tore down. We got a bunch of dirt work going on. Got her X'd out, over X'd out. It's not quite dry enough, so we can't put it back in, but shop project is going and things are happening. It's a little hectic around here. We got demolition derbies to get done. We got shops to build, stuff to do, but we're managing, we're getting it. So thanks for watching.